So guys, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our gold for the day. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section. So now take a look at this pattern that we had on gold. You can take a look at this first market touch. It dropped, market came again. You can see that this pattern is a reversal pattern, which is a double top pattern. So we've broken this neckline. The market eventually dropped. Give us a pullback here. Drop again. This is a pullback. So our next movement on gold will be another drop again. So basically, we will be expecting that drop to level 3,996. That should be our level on gold. So we have more than, if I'm not wrong, about 900 pips to catch. This is best for swing traders, those that would trade for long. But this is the best time to prepare for the sell. Catch about 100 to 1,000 pips on this movement.